Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locating the tracking app and confirming what it can access. Once found, go to Settings and check Permissions and Special Access. This prevents the app from resisting removal. Make sure to revoke device admin, accessibility, and monitor permissions because those are how trackers persist. While you do that, back up your contacts and photos so you don't lose data. Once done, disable any linked accounts inside the app. This simplifies the uninstall that follows and avoids surprises. Now you perform the actual uninstall. First, force stop the app to stop background processes. This helps prevent interference. Next, open its account settings and remove any linked email or device accounts and revoke any OAuth tokens from your account providers. This cuts off remote access. If an ordinary uninstall is blocked, reboot to safe mode and uninstall from settings. Safe mode prevents third-party apps from running, which makes removal reliable. Make sure to clear the app cache and data for a clean break. Finish by scanning your device with a reputable anti-malware tool to catch leftover components. This is why you updated the operating system first, because patches close vulnerabilities. Once the scan is clear, reset network settings to remove suspicious VPNs or proxies, and consider a factory reset only if tracking continues. Finally, change passwords for key accounts and enable two-step verification to prevent reinstallation. If the app won't uninstall, boot into recovery or contact the device maker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.